Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're going to work on more of these labs. We're just going to go over as many as we can do, and then we'll save the rest for another day. So we're going to start with this one. We've done these two, and that's the next one. So SQL injection with out-of-band exfiltration. Pretty sweet. Because I know I'm going to need it, SQLi cheat sheet. Let's open up that out of band. So we're looking at, let's start with one of these. Oracle, if I remember right, is the way to go. And MySQL. And then once we've got a confirmation, we will try to extract data. I don't know if we have an account. Nope. Okay. So I'm assuming the exploit is there. Let's send this to repeater. So have that. And then we are going to do this. We'll start with Oracle from Dual. So that means right here, we want single quote, pipe, that, and that, right? Should we make this? Yeah, I like that better. Let's swap out the collaborator ID, copy the keyboard to repeater, and then boom here. And I think that is it. So I'm gonna copy all. Oh, we need the dash space dash. Copy all of this. Do Control U and send it. We didn't get anything. Oh, we did. Ooh, right on. So we know it's Oracle. And now we need to extract data. Let's look at what our objective is. Lab contains tracking cookie, mini cookie. A different table called users, username and password, administrator. So let's do here. Let's unencode this. Control Shift U. Select extract this. We want to concatenate right here. We'll do X equals and then concatenation with Oracle is the 2 bars, right? Oracle 2 bars. So let's check this by doing select. We want single quote bar from Dual. Let's send. Oh, this won't work. Will it? We can get DNS. Well, let's send it. Oh crap. But remember to do this and send it. We want collaborator. Poll. Let's reorder this. No, that did not work. So what if we do it instead of repeater, instead of trying to get it, because we can only do DNS, this was a dumb mistake. So I'm going to Control Shift U, and I'm going to do it right here. So I'm going to do boom, boom, boom. Take all of this, Control X, put it here, put a double quote and a single quote. This has a single quote here. So this single quote is going to mess it up. How do we do that? What if we select one? Let's try this first. And then we're concatenating here, concatenating here. We can remove this. Oh, this is inside XML. Select. I don't think what I just did is going to work. Control U. Let's send it and just see. No. Control Shift U. Control Shift U. What? Control Shift U. Okay. What I just did didn't work because we need to set an Oracle. No. We're doing XML. What the crap? How do we do this? Let's make it, switch it back to something that works. Which we know this works, right? If I highlight from here to here, send that. I'm going to Control Shift U now. Pull. That does work. Now, we want to extract data, right? Extract value. How do we send data along? DNS, oh, because we did it, that's why. So we're going to do it like this. Document system. Oh, yeah. I did have it right. Oh, but we needed to end the single quote. And that's what I was doing wrong. XML type. Okay. So we need to end the single quote here. Concatenate. Select. We'll do single bar from dual. Let's do it with the caps. From dual. End the parentheses. And then we'll concatenate and start the single quote back up. Then we will URL encode this. Send it. And I do expect this one to work. Yeah. And these are, oh, I forgot the bar. Repeater. I mean the period. So select bar from, I want a period right here. Send that. And now we should get bar dot. Sweet. And so repeater, all we need here is select Control Shift U, select password from not dual but users where user name equals single quote administrator, like that. And then we'll highlight this part, Control U, send it, go to collaborator, make sure we actually got, boom, got our response. So this should be the administrator's password. So I'm going to copy that, go here to my account, administrator, paste that, log in, whoop, solved. Awesome. That worked out better than I was hoping. Okay, we're going to leave all this garbage, even though with another one. SSRF with blacklist-based input filter. Oof. All right, let's read the description. Slav stock check features. Solve lab, change stock so we can access admin and delete the user Carlos. There's 2 weak anti-SSR defenses we need to bypass. Okay. So let's view details. Go to the stock check for London. Got a response. Let's go proxy here. Send to repeater. And we want to get, let's try just getting, actually duplicate tab. Oh, I closed the wrong one. Let's try it again. /admin. So we see what error. Only available if logged in or requested from loopback. Sweet. So we do have a few different things we can try. We want to change this. Post product stock. We can, let's do this. Control Shift U and delete all of this to admin. Delete all of this. So we can try just the straight up one. And yeah, we'll just try it like this. Blocked. Okay. We can try it. I wonder if this is the same as the one I tried to do. Control. I don't remember how to force convert selection URL all characters. I'm going to do that again. URL all characters. Send. It was the one that I did during the, what was it? When I did Mystery Labs, I got this one. And it's pretty fresh in my mind. So that's why I remember it. We want to delete Carlos, solve the labs, and delete the user Carlos. It is just a get to this page. So we'll copy this and tack that on here. Send that. And we should have this guy solved. We do. Sweet. Those went surprisingly fast. Forced OAuth profile linking. All right. Option to touch some. Yeah, solve lab. CSRF to attach our own profile. All right. I shouldn't have read well, so let's go through the OAuth path and see how that goes. So Wiener login with social media is what we want. Wiener Peter. Did we not have Wiener Peter? Oh, Peter.Wiener hot dog. Peter.Wiener hot dog. There we go. We want to force link. Did we already mess up? No. See, we're going to use CSRF to force link that. Now, if I go to my account, we're logged in. If I go to log out and go to my account, we're automatically, I don't know. Okay. That's all right. Let's look at proxy HTTP history. What's the server name? OAE7. So here's the OAuth stuff. OAE7. Yeah, this is where we started. Skip this. We went to login, and then right here. No. What if we did post interaction login? We want to invalid. Oh, that's not it. This to redirect to here, which redirects to here. And this does the sign in, authorize, or this does the action confirm. How about this? Post no CSRF. So if we what's this interaction? Where do we get that? We're going to use our client ID. We need to set up a interaction session. And this is where we get redirected, and this is created. So what I think we need to do is we want to CSRF them to do this one. But we need to get an interaction. And this will link their account with ours. Okay. So I'm going to log in. No, I can't log in actually. My account, log out, go here, proxy, intercept. Intercept is on. My account, I need to forward this one. Make sure forward this one. And then right here, I want to drop this, but let's copy it. Once we copied it, we can drop and turn intercept off. Now we want to go back here. So we have an interaction that's ready to go, right? No, crap. I may have stopped it too early. I don't know how I don't really like this. It's not the time to be doing this. But since I don't really like it, that's a little better. Okay. Let's try one more time. This time I am going to forward the first one. Intercept is on. Log in with social media. 2. I'm going to forward this one. Code. We get a code. Proxy. Let's go flow. What was the... Or no, we can go proxy. HTTP history. We need to go to the link. Right? We need to do the linking. What if we just did this? Copy link here and just went to the home page of the OAuth provider. Error. Unrecognized routes. No. That did not work. Problem I'm having is ours is already linked. So I need to go back to where the linking happened. This was the post. I'm at the bottom. Oh, here's the first get. Post. What is this one? This is to log into the social network, the OAuth provider. We are good there. Post interaction. Yep. Where do we get this from, though? Interaction. It's already set from here. Okay, so what if we send this to repeater? And then client ID is fine. Redirect ID is fine. We're going to send this. And we've got an interaction, right? Copy. Now we're going to send that post, which was proxy. Login. log in. We want the confirm. This one. We're going to try this. If this doesn't work, I'm going to have to look up how to do this because I do not remember. We'll send it to repeater. We're going to check. So let's see. Are we currently logged in? No. We are currently not logged in, right? Okay. Now we've got this. I'm going to change this interaction there and here. Leave the session stuff. I'm going to forward this. I'm going to send it, see what happens. 302 found. Follow. Bad request. Has expired. So it seems that we need to get this right away. Let's go back here. Have it ready. Send. Take this here. Send. Follow. Bad request. Nope. I don't know how to do it. Dang it. So let's look at our... Let's check Xmind. I don't know if I have one for OAuth, which would be real dumb because open local file, view, visit file, OAuth. I do. Woo. Phone code to somewhere else. OAuth client, establish, sent to the server. Right here, use CSRF attack. Well, awesome. Thanks. How do you do that? All right, let's look at our script. CD courses, web, security, OAuth, LS, bypass, fourth, oh, that's the one, Vim, forced, OAuth, profile linking. All right, so log into the blog, username and password. Get linking. Wiener Peter. What? Blog, Wiener Peter. Why didn't that work? Okay, it does work. So this is grabbing that link, attach social 1. Inspect, let's look at it. I'm making this bigger and it's screwing things up. So what does this have? It has a link to the OAuth server. Let's do edit as HTML. There we go. Client ID. It's telling it wants a code. All right, cool. scheme, get linking URL, interaction cookie. Oh, we actually visited that and got the interaction. Then we post to the OAuth action. So we start going through it. And then we come back with a linking URL. Redirecting to get the code from OAuth. Get linking, yep. Deliver code to victim, which we're just doing with an image. Okay. Logging in. And we go through the same thing again. This time, so the second time, the first time we're going until we get a code. And that's our goal, right? Is to get the code from the OAuth. Deliver it. And then I don't understand this part. Why we're doing all that again. It's like we're rebuilding. And then we're confirming. Oh, maybe that's why. So that we can click the confirm button, because they're not going to, but they can start the process and get that interaction, and then rest. And then we continue that interaction. Okay, so I think that makes a little bit more sense. Let's go attach social media. And we want to turn the proxy on. Proxy intercept. Intercept is on. Attach social media. I need to remember. So this is the get. We want to wait until, so I'm going to forward this one. Get OAuth linking. We're still good. Forward. That's all fine. What happened? Oh. Attach social media. Maybe it's because I wasn't looking at the, I don't know what I did wrong. Attach a social profile. All right, this is the get. I'm going to forward this one and look at the response. OAuth linking. So the proxy HTTP history, this one, no, this one, here is the code. Don't I need the interaction? Yeah, I think so. So let me go to here and then here, drop, intercept off. Let me go back to this. Cookies, delete all, my account. I'm gonna log in. Cleaner. Is there a way to reset? No. It's not there and not up here. So I logged in. Oh, it's got to be the OAuth server that I need to delete my cookies on. So let's do copy link. Whoops. Oh, no, that's fine to here. Here, I need to delete all. Okay. Cool. This time, we shouldn't attach. So I want to forward this one. Now we've got the interaction. Get linking URL. So auth link, yep. Interaction cookie. That's what we just got. Right? Cookie. This is what it wants to send. That means in proxy HTTP history, we just received a set cookie. Boom. Right there with the interaction. Interaction cookie, we have that. Action URL. So it's building out the action. Cookies, yep. And then we're posting to the URL that we built our social media stuff. So let me go to intercept, forward. This is where we're posting it. So Peter.Wiener hot dog, sign in. Cool. That's right here. We're getting the session cookie, the interaction. We're building a URL with the OAuth and the action URL. And then we're posting action URL. This has got to be like the confirm. So I'm going to forward this. Forward this. Interaction. Right here. It's got to be this one. Post data right here. Redirect to RESP headers. Location. Response. Redirect. Cookies. Linking URL. And then that's in the response headers before it goes to, okay. So I'm going to continue up here, forward, forward. This one with the code. Right? Get response. Linking URL. I think that's right. OAuth link. Yeah, so I'm going to copy URL. And then if I drop everything and I go here, oh crap. Go to exploit. IMG source equals this. Like that. Store. And then we go linking URL. We return the linking URL, which is right here. We deliver the code to victim. So here we deliver exploit to victim. Let's duplicate tab and go to the access log. Victim did get it right there. Sweet. Now we log in with social media. We get the login page. We confirm. Let's see. What was it? Oh, it was 4. So where do we use linking URL? That's the only time we do it. Man, I just don't know. I'm going to look at the instructions or the solution because I totally forgot how to do this. That's funny. Their instructions start at number 3. Attach. Log out and click my account. Log in with, so that, yep. In the proxy is study auth client observe that the redirect URI for this sends the authorization. In the proxy study, there's a series of requests. So that's what we are doing. In the get auth client request, Peter, intruder, no, proxy. Deliver to victim right here. And then we get redirected back with the code. And none of this has any nonce value to make sure that whoever initiated this is the one that finishes it. Turn on proxy intercept and select the attach social media. Go to the one to get OAuth. Yep, did that. Drop the quest. Turn off log out of the blog, exploit server. Yep, did that, deliver. Go back to the website and do log in with social media. So what's that, all that extra code? Crap, did we... Admin panel. Woo! Sweet. All right, let's do this one more time just so I make sure I have it down. We're going to go to my account. We're going to log in here as Wiener Peter. We've already gone through the OAuth process, and we noticed that when it does the that it doesn't have any way to track who starts a interaction with who finishes it, who receives this code. And that is a problem with the client, not the provider. Pretty sure. Yeah, even this says OAuth client right there. Because the client should send like some kind of nonce with the first request to start the OAuth process, and then expects that to receive that same nonce back in this linking when they receive the code. Okay. So with that in mind, where are we? We're here. I'm going to go here and turn intercept on. I'm going to attach social media, and I'm going to forward this one. OAuth linking. I'm going to forward this one. Oh no, we already have it. This code. That's fine. If we take this copy URL, go to exploit server, paste that here, store, and then deliver. Oh, I need to drop this one and turn intercept off. Deliver this exploit to victim. Now our social media code is linked with the admin's account, my account. So we need to log in with the social media. And we should have admin panel. Very cool. All right. Let's write a few more notes here. I mean, this is great and all, but can you stop when the request sequence just before sending the code to the OAuth client? Then trick the user into, I should put not trick, but social engineer the victim into visiting that URL, the linking URL to associate your social media account with the victim's application account. With that done, let me put another enter. With that done, log in using social media, and you should now have the account, the same account as the victim. You should now be logged in. Be logged in as the victim. Cool. All right. That one's a little iffy. And I think that's it for me today. We got through, how many did we get through? 1, 2, we got through 3. So maybe tomorrow we can do the other 3. That one will be easy. Brute forcing a stay logged in. I don't know. Filter bypass. That one will be easy. So we'll just have one maybe tough one. Sweet. All right. Well, that's it for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.